To be unbothered, you have to reduce the volume of those negative thoughts, what people might say, what people are saying, and what worked for me is getting into my own bubble. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome new viewers. Welcome back to this channel, and in this channel we talk about living the good life, good mental health, and living a wholesome, amazing life. So let's get started. So in this video, I wanted to share the story of me finally getting into YouTube, and basically the moral of the story is how I became unbothered. There are so many unbothered videos, but I do not have the tips for it, but I can share my story so that if someone finds it inspiring, I hope someone finds it inspiring, they can at least I put it out there, and I hope you like it. So I have been planning to do YouTube since I was in the 8th grade, and now I'm in the 4th year of engineering. Okay, it's been quite a long time, and only thanks to COVID I finally started it. So what happened is, during COVID, we all distanced a little bit, and I kind of retreated into my own shell during COVID when COVID started. And what happened is I became lost a little communication from people, and it's not a very good thing to lose a lot of communication. But what worked for me is I healed a lot emotionally, and I got a little much more fit. I looked into my diet and stuff, basically tried to glow up and shit. I don't know if it worked or not, but yeah. So what happened, I retreated into my shell, and what happened during that retreat is I also, even though I lost a lot of communication and it was not very good to lose so much communication, I also kind of the sounds, the worries that people will judge me.
That is the ugliest effing skirt I've ever seen.
The need to fit in, the need to fit into the society, trying to be according to the expectations of the society, not the society, at least people around me. Even the small things which I do not have an issue with though, which kind of if you think about it, it's just etiquette, and thinking about fitting in, about fitting into a certain mold, all that kind of just went away, and I found myself, in that original state kind of thing, almost quite closer to who I am originally as compared to that. So for my entire life, I kind of always double think what I said, double think what people said. I just double, triple, fourple, quadruple think everything. So what happened is, because of COVID, that kind of negative thinking, what would people say, kind of reduced a little bit. And soon enough, I found myself in my own bubble. And usually being in your own bubble is not a good thing, but it was very beneficial for me in this case because, I found myself, all the things, all the negative thoughts that I was irritated about.
I start and people judge me and people comment bad about me. I'm pretty sure there are people who will share my videos and then they'll comment bad things about me. They're gonna make memes about me, all those things.
That kind of reduced way. It reduced a lot. So I found myself in a bubble, and the story of the deaf frog and how they were in a race, and the deaf frog everybody was telling the deaf frog that you can't win, you do not have the capacity, how can you go up the mountain? And I read it in a tinkle once, okay? And then the deaf frog is finally won it, and everyone say, how did you do it? Deaf frog is I couldn't hear your negative thoughts. So that is basically what happened with me. And I couldn't hear the negative thoughts. Generally nobody is saying negative thoughts about me as much as I think they are saying. It's all in my head. But even that mental chatter about what the people say, that kind of reduced a lot, right? So yeah, that's what happened. So the moral of the story for this is that to be unbothered, you have to reduce the volume of those negative thoughts, what people might say, what people are saying, and what worked for me is getting into my own bubble. So maybe this could also work for you, but if you're the kind of person who can block off the people, block off the negative thoughts of people, who can do it by themselves without going into a bubble, then do it. That is totally gonna work. It worked for me, it's gonna work for you. What I wanted to say is, I'm not the kind of person who can suddenly switch off the negative thoughts. That is one of my biggest issues. I keep on double thinking and triple thinking. I'm good at some things being over optimistic, but I'm not good at reducing the negative thoughts, And then that is why this echo chamber kind of worked for me. And I also have this question, what if I get back, after the pandemic, I get back and the negative thoughts start coming, and I'm talking to people and I'm worried what they are gonna say. But I think it's not gonna be that much of an issue because now I have started it. I am into this journey now, and I have the proof, the analytics that it's not as bad as I thought it would be. I thought I'm gonna get 0 views, and I got like 900 something views on my first video because I shared with everybody, like all my contacts, and so that is what happened and did not happen. The worst that I expected did not happen. So now I am quite comfortable in it. So that's what happened when I became unbothered. So once you are in the journey after being unbothered, once you like, we all need to be unbothered for a reason, right? Like, because we are all trying to fit into the society and we are scared that if we do not fit into the society, like into the mold of whatever is expected, we are gonna F it all up. But once we become unbothered and once we get into a journey, that unbothered thing we do not have to try anymore. You know, it just keeps on going. You just have that, you need that one push of being unbothered, and after that it's all sorted. So that was my story about being unbothered, and I think I'm gonna make this the intro video of my channel because this worked out. This kind of told my story. So yeah, let's be unbothered. So if you like this video, drop a like, drop a comment, like it, share with people, and I hope you like it, and I hope you like the vibe of this channel. Bye. Thanks for watching.